There, Spicy Fam. So for today's attendance video is sasagutin ko ang katanungan kung papayag ba ako na i-post ng ibang creator ang aking photos and video sa kanilang mga sariling social media account. My answer is yes, but it typically requires my permission, especially when you're planning to use it in your commercial purposes that it may affect my reputation as a creator. You know, we must respect our copyright laws and intellectual property rights. We must always ask consent to the rightful owner, and we must give credit to where it's due. Ayan, wala namang masama basta ay lagi tayong mag-ask ng permission. So, ayun lang guys. Have a nice day everyone. Happy weekend.